It's Tina Montana. Snatch off your wig like you Hannah Montana. Bitch, I will put you to sleep in no pajamas. Alright, I'm making myself hot. Peyton, relax. You know you get hot fast. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Peyton, and if you're new, thank you for stopping by my video. Thank you for watching. You're gonna love me, I promise. So yeah, might as well subscribe because you're gonna stay, period. And if you're returning, thank you for coming back. I really appreciate it. I appreciate the love. Y'all already know we here with it. We here with it. So let's just jump right into the video. So by the title of this video, I'm going to be reattaching some locks, hence why I got my clips in here, because I already have everything sorted so I don't lose the spot. I've been watching some YouTube videos. I've seen a lot of videos where they braid the lock back in, and I mean, I know I'm not really supposed to be doing this, like reattaching my locks, but it's also like I'm not gonna braid them back in. So I saw another method, and as soon as I saw that, I jumped on that, and this is what I'm going to teach. Because and then I tried to do it, it just didn't make any sense. It made no sense to me, and people, like, they kept saying it was so easy, and it's just like, no. Am I slow? Am I not getting it? Like, I don't know, but I keep looking because I keep like checking to see. I don't know, like, I'm recording differently. Like, the iPhone is really amazing, like chef's kiss, awesome. And it's the fact that I'm zoomed out and you see like everything in my room. It's just so weird. It's so weird. And I just feel as though, like, I don't know, like I may record like this for like hair videos so you can see better, and I may do my regular for makeup videos because, you know, it's more up close and personal. So, you know, speaking of makeup, what my makeup look like today? Like, is it cute? I did a little wing. I don't normally do wings. This wing looks better than this one. This one a little fat mama. This one a little more, you know, snatched. Like very, very, very slight. But yeah, like I said, like I'm not good with wing liner, and the lashes, they're more dramatic for me. These are the same lashes I wore in my date night video. No, go check that out. Yeah, so enough of me rapping. I'm just get right into the video. So anyway, I ordered these from Amazon. It came with 4 locking tools, 4 crochet needle locking tools, and then 2 retightening locking tools. So the same retightening tools that I used in my first video. Again, if you haven't seen that, go watch that. Okay, go. Making a mess. Go check it out, period. Okay, but like I was saying, I got these from Amazon. I watched this one lady do it, and I don't really remember what size needles she used, but I just bought the first ones that made sense. And I don't know, I thought I was only going to get one, so I didn't want to spend $15 on one, but I spent $6 on 4 and 2 retightening tools. So I'm definitely going to put the link down in the description box because that's bomb. And yeah, this is what it looks like. It came in like this little case. This little case. These are the tools. It comes with 4 crochet needles, and that's the main focus. So you open it up. The retightening tools, I lost the gold one. It comes with 1 gold and 1 silver. I lost the gold one. This is the silver one. Same thing, the same exact thing, just silver. And then these are the crochet needles. So it comes with 2 different sizes, but 4 of them, so 2 and 2. It comes with a 0.5 and a 0.75. You know the difference. One, you could tell by the needle being smaller, but you could also tell because they put the sizing on the bottom of them. So like I said, two 0.5 and then two 0.75. I used the 0.75 because they are bigger, and the 0.5 just wasn't doing it for me. So when you do try this, it is going to be harder, I will admit, but it's worth it because I just feel like it's more secure that way, personally, because I really couldn't get that braiding method down. I couldn't get it down. But anyway, I have a couple locks that came out, and it's honestly like it's an interesting story how they came out. That could be a story time one day. Not today though. It's another day. So I have this lock. I chose one of the smaller, shorter locks because, as you can see, my locks in the front stop like about right here to my shoulder pretty much, and it's easy for me to tell because my ends are bleached, right? And if it's not bleached or you don't have a color, it's easy to tell because like the end where your root came out has like a little ball, like a little knot, basically. I got my hair was gone after like a fresh retighten. So what I'm gonna do, since the end looks like this, I'm gonna take a rat tail comb and I'm going to open the end of my lock so I can crochet it in. I mean, this kind of takes some time, but it doesn't really take any time, so it's easy enough. Just put it in, pull it out. And this also is helpful because, say for instance, if you are uneducated or you don't really know much about what is supposed to go in your locks and what isn't, like me, because when I first got my locks, I thought I could do any and everything and put any and everything in them. No, that's not smart. It's not ideal. That's how you cause buildup. So say for instance you are like me and you thought that if you comb it out, when you reattach it, it's going to bring out everything that was in your lock. So like lint, dirt, gunk, all that debris, all that stuff. You could just comb it out, and then when you crochet it back into your hair, essentially your hair will appear longer because it's not that blockage in between your lock. I'll show you if this one has any, or I'll try like the other locks I have over here. You don't have to like comb it out too much, but you don't want to comb it out too little. So like this, I'll probably comb it out till about right here, because I just like to have that leeway for me to pinch it with my hair, because my hair takes a long time to grow, honestly. So it's really not like, there's much there, but it's not that much there. Yep, I'm just speed through this and I'll come back when it's done. Okay, so I combed it out. I like to make sure that after I comb it, well, pluck it out, whatever, that I comb it out, literally. And voila. Cool. So now let's get into real business. When I was doing my reattaching my locks, I had more locks than just these two, I think, that I had to reattach. When I was doing them, I used the 0.75 millimeter one because I don't know, I just felt like it made more sense to get one that was bigger so it could catch hair, because even with this it's hard. So I feel like I recommend a bigger size, maybe go up one more than the 0.75. I don't know. So obviously I need to retighten my locks. Please ignore that So you see this hair right here, this luscious hair, it needs to go in a lock. So I'm going to separate everything else from getting in the way of being in said lock and parting it as I need to. So now that it's parted, I'm going to take a clip and get it out the way. Ooh, that's tight. And here it is. So this is the hair that I will be putting into my lock. Hope you guys can see that. Put a little background color so that way you can see. Can you see that? Yeah, boom. And again, I'm going to, well, not again, but I'm going to zoom in so that way you guys can see better. This is the lock that I'm putting in. So when I do this, it's really ideal to like split this into two sections, like a two strand twist, you know, like right down the middle, boom, and then like you'll wrap it around this piece so that way you ensure that it goes into it. But like I said, I'm a little slow, didn't really work for me, so I just pinch this hair and then I basically like pinch the lock where it's not combed, and then I pull it till I think I'm good to start crocheting it, right? And when I do that, I like twist it so I'm wrapping it around that hair, but it's not really like a twist, it's like a, I don't know, but I'm just making sure that I wrap it around that hair. So where I'm pinching, you see my fingers, you see the motion that I'm doing, right? I'm going to go in with the crochet needle and do that motion until I feel like it's good. So we're gonna basically stab and twist, stab and twist. Twisting, I just go ham with the stabbing, right? But I always come back. So I'm gonna go down to the root of this lock, and I'm going at like an angle because once you get the crochet in, any piece of hair is gonna hook on too. So I like twist it out, right? And I do that just so I can make sure I'm crocheting it in right. So right here you see like this waist trainer. That's what it's given. It's given a waist trainer. So that's what you want it to look like once you do it. You do the stab twist method. I'm going to go down to the root of the original lock, and I'm going to do the same thing to ensure that the lock is in there. I crocheted it all in. As you can see right here, I could crochet it in some as well. Actually, you just want it to be as secure as possible because you don't want the lock to slip. And once you give it a little bit, it's gonna lock right in, brand new, you know. I'm just going through squeezing it to see if I got any other soft spots. Soft spot just shows me like it's not going to bond together as quick as I wanted to, or be as secure as I wanted to. And that's just the whole goal. That's the whole point of the crochet needle. Now that I have it how I want it, I'm going to then take the retightening tool, and I'm going to retighten it. as if this was here already. And that way you probably can't see me, but you put the lock through the loop. If I can get it through. Lock through the loop, pull it tight, go to town. You go north to south, east to west, south to north, west to east, north to south again. 4-point rotation, and let's go. Let's do this. I had a little bit of trial and error because I wasn't doing it tight enough to make sure the lock was secure, but now that it's in, I am back and better than ever, and I'll probably retighten my locks like sometime this weekend maybe, but not right now. Like, I just have all this new growth, and it looks like I have a whole bunch of locks missing, but yeah, I just need to do my hair. That's that on that. So now I'm back to me and being me. That concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's some work. It takes some patience. It's frustrating. You may not get it on the first try, but like I said, just keep twist and stab, twist and stab. That's the method. That's what we're going for. Okay. My black owned business for today is this cute little crop sweatshirt thing that I have on. Oh my gosh, it's so crazy because when I got it, when I saw it on Instagram, they sent me this shirt, and when I saw it on Instagram, I was like, that's cool. Like, when I touched it, when I grabbed out the package, first of all, I was like, okay, this is nice little rust red. This is cute. But then when I put it on, I got hot instantly. I'm like, oh, this is some nice material. Like, this is perfect for fall, winter. If you're cold, 9 times out of 10, like, I could literally fall asleep. I took some videos or like boomerangs in the sweatshirt and taking those. I'm like, I could fall asleep right here. It's super comfy. It's very, very soft. The inside, the lining, I don't know what type of material this is, but it's amazing. It's so bomb. It's really bomb. I love the shirt. They're in the DMV, so if you're in the DMV, go cop so that we support the DMV, because the DMV doesn't know how to support each other. But if you're outside of the DMV, make sure you still cop and you grab a shirt. So yeah, that's how we're doing that. Anyway, like I said, it concludes this video. I really appreciate the love, support, hugs and kisses, subscribes, likes, shares, all that. I appreciate it times 1,000 times 10,000. Period. And yeah, so share with your mothers, fathers, aunties, uncles, nieces, nephews, boyfriend, girlfriend, cousin, brother. I feel like I already said brother, mom, dad, everybody. Share with everybody, because I'm here to stay. Okay, so I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.